Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to play against yourself in chess.com. First of all, launch open chess.com application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to play against yourself, for that what you have to do is tap on this play option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options like tournaments, play a friend, play a bot, etc. Tap on the more option. Now over here at last, you'll be able to find the option for play in person. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the play option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to start the game. Now you'll be able to make the move for both black and white. Simply make the move. You can see over here, you'll be able to play against yourself like this. So that is how you play against yourself in chess.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.